In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Klaviyo email template. Whether you're aiming to add some flair to your marketing emails or simply want to engage your audience with eye-catching visuals, incorporating a GIF can be a fantastic way to achieve that. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, so you can easily bring your emails to life. First things first, let's make sure you're logged in. Open your web browser and type in www.klaviyo.com to navigate to Klaviyo's homepage. Once you're there, click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your account. With your dashboard open, you're ready to start the creative process. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel. Scroll through and locate the tab labeled Content. Click on it and you'll be directed to a variety of options to help you manage and modify your email assets. From here, you should locate the Templates option. This is your gateway to viewing and editing your collection of email templates. Now find and select the specific email template that you're working on. This could be a draft you've already started, or you might be starting fresh. Either way, once you have your template open, it's time to add that GIF. To do this, look for the image block option within the template editor section. Simply drag this block over to your desired location within the template. This move is essential as it prepares a space for your visual content. With your image block in place, you can now upload your GIF. Click to upload and a window will pop up, allowing you to select the GIF file from your computer. Before uploading, make sure your file is in the correct format, which is .gif. This ensures compatibility with Klaviyo's system. Additionally, Klaviyo advises keeping your GIF file size under 5 millidollars for optimal display. This size consideration helps ensure that your emails load quickly and display correctly on various devices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a dynamic element to your email, creating an engaging experience for your readers. Experiment with different GIF placements and styles to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, the key to good email marketing is making sure your message is not only informative, but also visually appealing. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add a GIF to a Klaviyo email template. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need a refresher. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.